Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK. Go back, tap to switch input methods, switch to English United States keyboard and tap finish. Right now click here on the X and take a look. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks right now very close to the iOS theme. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.